Alright, YouTube, we're back again. Starting off right here with the Jordan logo right on this mid panel. All white. You know, it's textile. What are you gonna do about it? Other than maybe customize it? I don't know. All kind of white panels on this shoe. Bring these to the customizers. They'll do wonders with this kicks for you, fam. Tumble leather panel here on the back, and it kind of just, you know, does its zigzag thing up the back of the heel. The texture of it's really nice though. Reminds me of Jordan 1 quality, this leather right here. Perforation holes on the side. This material right here is more of a rubbery texture, whereas this is a textile and this is a tumbled leather, just like I told you with the Jordan 1. Let's do a squeeze test. It's a bit firm. It's a bit firm. It's not as plushy as it looks, but they did do a good job with that tumbled leather overlay. I don't know what this is. It feels like, actually no, it does feel like leather, but it doesn't feel super tumbled or anything like that. It's just a thick cut of leather. Max Aura 4. Who knew these were even coming out? I don't know. They looked sick, so I figured I might as well review them for you guys. Now, I love when they put the flight symbol on the tongue, man. It brings me right back to the 90s. Sometimes I buy shoes just because it got flight on the tongue. The flight logo, that's the one right there. I want more shoes with the flight logo on it. At the heel portion, actually has a flight symbol again. I love when they do stitching like that, man. It reminds me of like an off-white. It's like an off-white stitching right there. Neoprene booty, very similar to the outside of the shoe as far as, you know, design-wise. Another good customizable panel, most likely. But, you know, when you're looking at the outsole and the midsole, that's where stuff starts getting a little bit more interesting. So within this heel section, we got one giant airbag, fam. This thing is fat, you know, dog. Like, this thing protrudes out the bottom. And, you know, it's interesting how they made this outsole kind of stretch over top of the air bubble there. The back of the shoe is a little bit bulky, but let's take a look at this outsole though for a second. As you can see here, there's multiple pads of this wavy herringbone design, and this thing doesn't have a torsion plate. The outsole of the shoe and the midsole reminds me very much of the Nike Air Delta and the Delta 2s that I just recently reviewed not too long ago, and the shape of the shoe is very similar as well. Imagine the Delta 2 with the air unit. That's basically what these are for the most part. I mean, minus the expensive React. EVA soles ain't that bad though, fam. But as you can see here, there's no torsional plate or anything like that, but it is a very stiff EVA midsole, I believe. I don't think it's Phylon because it's very stiff and very rugged. Outsole over top of an EVA, a somewhat medium grade EVA soft midsole. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of this lacing style, but it is what it is. My suggestion, get these hoes a spray down. You don't want these to get dirty. They ain't gonna look the same. The insole basically looks like a regular insert ortholite, whatever, regular ortholite stuff, but flight symbol on the inside with some perforation holes, all red on the inside as you can see. Now, I will say that these shoes are pretty stylish. This shoe's obviously very popular because there was almost no sizes left. This is a size 13, fam. This is the only thing you guys left me to review to blood clot. At least I got my hands on a pair of them for you guys so you can see what they look like. Obviously, we're doing the on foot coming up soon. I thought these were a really good option. They're not super expensive, $200 and below for those of you guys who are trying to pinch a penny a little bit and don't want to spend the full $300 on a retro. You know what? For the price, you can't go wrong with these. Make sure you guys check these out if they're still available. Very stylish, highly customizable. You don't have the most premium materials on this, but it will last you. It's a great outdoor shoe. Wouldn't suggest necessarily playing basketball in it, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you can wear them and sometimes you can play in them, but this one is more of a lifestyle shoe. As I said, if you guys are into the Deltas and want something a little bit more, you know, a little bit more Jordan-y or a little bit more basketball-y, these are definitely a good option. Anyways, let's take a look at the box real quick before I forget, fam. Box reads Jordan Max Aura 4 white, black, university red, size 13. You already know, fam. That ain't my size. Anyways, that's the review for today. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. You already know what to do, dog. Helps you man them out in the algorithms. Wear what you like, not what's the hype. Back with more bangers this week. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I got some crazy coming up next. Let me know what you guys think of the Max Aura 4 in the comment section. We're about to get to the on foot, fam. Let's go. Perfect.